Hello dear students, now we are discussing chapter 8, that is controlling. This is the last chapter of part A of your business studies book. Up till now, in previous chapters, we have studied 4 functions of management in separate chapters like planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and now we are going to discuss fifth function of management, that is controlling. Students, this is the last but not the least function of management. It is indispensable functions of management. Without control, the best of plans can not be achieved by the management. A good control system helps an organization in accomplishing organizational goals, making efficient use of resources, ensuring order and discipline, etc. In order to see planned results from the subordinates, a manager needs to exercise effective control over the activities of the subordinates. I have explained you the introduction of controlling. Now in this chapter we will study meaning of controlling, importance of controlling, limitation of controlling and process of controlling. One topic, that is relationship between planning and controlling, is being deleted from the revised syllabus of business studies. So what is the meaning of controlling? According to Kunz and O'Donnell, managerial control implies the measurement of accomplishment against the standard and the correction of deviations to assure attainment of objectives according to plans. So on the basis of this definition, controlling is the process of comparing actual functions of employees to planned performance which is determined in planning function, and to take corrective measures if any deviation is found, so that in future there should be match between the actual performance and planned performance of employees. In previous chapter, fourth function of management, that is directing, we have seen that performance of employees is continuously observed, monitors, guided and instructed them to perform according to the plans. In this function, we will compare the actual function and the planned function, and we will find if there is a deviation, we will try to find out the reasons, what are the causes of these deviations, and then we will take corrective actions to reduce the deviation so that these deviations would not be occurred in the future. Now let's discuss the nature of controlling, that is features of controlling. Number 1, controlling is goal-oriented function. Controlling ensures that an organization's resources are being used effectively and efficiently for the achievement of predetermined goals. Controlling does a goal-oriented function. Next function is every level of management. That means controlling is an all-pervasive. That means it is practiced in top level management, middle level management and operational level management. Controlling is a primary function of every manager. Managers at all levels of management keep a control over activities in their areas. Moreover, controlling is as much required in an educational institution, military, hospital and a club as in any business organization. So, controlling function is exercised in every type of organization irrespective of its nature and size. Third one is every organization. That I just explained that it is exercised in every organization irrespective of its size and nature. Next one is continuous process. Controlling is a continuous function as it involves a constant review of performance to ensure that activities in the organization are performed as per the plans. Controlling should not be misunderstood as the last function of management. It brings the management cycle back to the planning function. The controlling function finds out how far actual performance deviates from standards, analyzes the causes of such deviations, and attempts to take corrective actions based on the same. This process helps in formulation of future plans in the light of the problems that were identified and does help in better planning in the future periods. Thus, controlling only completes one cycle of management process and improves planning in the next cycle. That's why controlling is said to be a future oriented function. Next one is controlling is related to results because controlling function ensures that employees should be performed as per the plan. So it ensures the standard outcomes which are already determined in planning by the top level management. Next one is controlling is flexible and dynamic. Controlling function is flexible in that point that whatever technique methodologies of controlling are adopted by the manager, these are purely as per the situation and the nature of the performance, and it is dynamic function because it is adopted by keeping in mind the changes takes place in the external environment of the organization, that is social environment, economical environment, political environment, legal environment and technological environment. All right.